The 2019 F-150 Limited is powered by a high-output 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine producing 450 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque. It can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds and run the quarter mile in around 13.7 seconds. Standard are the quad-beam full LED headlights with LED taillights. New for 2019 is the updated rear bumper with integrated dual exhaust only on the Limited trim. The only wheel option available are the 22-inch satin polished wheels. Every Limited comes with power deployable running boards. Also standard is Ford's tailgate step, which includes the step and the railing. Moving on into the interior, you will notice beautiful two-tone brown and beige leather upholstery seating and trim surfaces. All lariat and above trims come with two traditional gauges and a bigger screen in the center for vehicle information and driving data. This is Ford's latest Sync 3 system, which is an 8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Standard is the dual-zone climate control system with heated and cooled seats. Down by the console shifter is where you'll find some storage and the USB ports for phone connectivity. Here is the four-wheel drive dial with an electronic locking rear differential, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and the trailer brake controller. This is a fully leather-wrapped brown steering wheel with controls for the gauge cluster, audio controls, adaptive cruise, and voice control buttons. To the left of the steering wheel is your light controls, side mirror spotlights, parking brake, and power adjustable pedal switches. This is the fuel economy section, which includes 2 trip meters and fuel history. In the truck info tab, you have selectable gauge views, tire pressure, a digital speedometer, and engine idle times. This section is the towing information, which includes towing status, trailer info, trailer light check, trailer setup, and a connection checklist. In the off-road section, you can find different truck articulation numbers and steering angle, as well as a power distribution meter. In the settings tab is your safety settings. Going through the Sync 3 system, you have an audio section, a digital version of the dual zone climate control, phone settings, navigation, apps, and settings. Above the screen, you can find the traction control switch, hazard light, 360 camera system, and auto start stop. This truck also has 5 different driving modes, including normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport modes. These are the beautiful two-tone fully leather seats, which are heated and cooled and have a massage function which can be found in the infotainment system, or a small circular button in the seat controls. Standard is the incredible B&O premium sound system with 10 premium speakers and up to 1,000 watts of power. Lastly, moving on to the rear seats, the two-tone leather follows with heated seats and rear inverter power outlets.